Hi friends, this is 5 Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y20 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can turn off camera shutter sound on your phone Vivo Y20. First of all, on your phone, go to the camera, take picture. There will be a clicking sound. If you want to turn off it, go to the settings of camera here and turn off the button again sound. Now there is no clicking sound. If you want to have the sound, again you go to turn on that button sound. So this way you can easily control camera clicking sound, that is shutter sound. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.